Hi, my name is Kathleen. So going over this data table that I made, I pretended that I was buying a car for $20,000 at a 5% interest rate. My plan was to pay it off in 2 years, making it a 24 payment commitment. Now, I'll be honest, this assignment was extremely challenging for me. Hours on it, and I could not get the numbers right. I searched YouTube videos, I searched literature online, and I just could not get to a zero balance. So the professor was kind enough to meet with me this morning and go over it, and I still couldn't get it right. So I played around with it a little bit, and I was finally able to get a zero balance. The way that I had to do it after all was said and done was literally line by line. There was no way for me to figure out how to pull and drag the information all the way down. So I started with, the basics here, 5%, interest rate, 2 years, 12 payments per year, total amount $20,000. And I lined up all of the individual payments, 1 through 24. I started with $20,000 as a beginning balance. I figured out payment by going to formulas, financial, and then, well, I'll go to my recently used, but payment. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to screw this up, but I clicked payment and I typed in the information. Once you hit payment under the financial option, a box does populate here. So I've kind of filled in the information. I clicked on each individual cell. I'll do it now and hope that nothing happens. So my rate was 5%, and this is where I was initially going wrong. I was just leaving it at 5% divided by 12, because that's how many months are in a year. The total payments is 12 times 2, because it's 2 years, and the present value is 20,000. Hit OK, and that brings you to $877.43. I don't know why it went to zero, but it did. So let's go back. Same thing with principal. I used the formula box, PPMP, and I filled in the information that was requested. I did for the rate again, 5% divided by 12. Then the specific number is 1 because it's the first payment. How many payments is 12 times 2? And then here is where I was also screwing up. I kept putting the beginning balance of, I guess, the month. In this case, it would be 20,000, but as I went down in payment, I was clicking on, I'm just going to get out of here, I was clicking on these numbers, the beginning balance for the formula, and that was throwing the whole calculation off. So I figured out that 20,000 had to remain standard, and it did eventually give me a zero balance. Thanks.